I've got 1 minute left, and let's hope it's a good one. I've retreated to the car when I was cooking my dinner tonight. It'll be Tuesday night on the 4th of November. She has finally put on a bit of a show for me. I had a fair bit of rain when I was going into the Lost City. That was pretty nice. And then tonight when I was cooking my tea, cooking a nice steak on the barbie, she was building up all around me, and it looked like down around Catherine that there was a fair bit of thunder and lightning and a fair bit of rain going on. And it was probably around 7 o'clock, and then by 9 o'clock it had started getting really windy up here, and I thought, right, this is it. And I packed up as much as I could, and then about 5 minutes later, yep, she really opened up. The tent was blowing around a little bit, so I had to secure her down that bit more, so it took a few minutes, and by the time I knew it, it was all on. But it looks like it's coming down to the last little bit on my tape, so unfortunately that'll ruin me. Still at the Florence Falls campsite. I'm going to go down tomorrow morning and have a look to see whether the river's risen at all, and I'm tipping it will have. Back into Darwin tomorrow, go and check out a few more things around there, catch up with Abby and Bryce, then I'll be off through Kakadu with some... Fuck! Jeez!